Hey you guys, welcome back to Jay's Journal. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I got this here makeup look. It's something very fun and sultry, and I wanted to go with a very muted lid. I was actually inspired by makeup back in the earlier 1900s, like Marilyn Monroe, how she did a very blank wash of color across the eyelid. I saw some videos today and it kind of inspired me. So that is the inspiration behind this video. Plus, I love me a nice little classy look. If you guys want to see how I achieved this, then please continue to watch. So I'm starting off with a clean face, and I'm going to put on some primer. I'm going to use my NYX The Face Glue, some of my NYX The Face Glue. I should probably connect my mics. Whoops. Alrighty, so the audio should be good to go. Had to zoom you guys in a little bit. Let's go ahead and jump into the foundation. I don't know what I want to do with my eyes, honestly, as far as eyeshadow and stuff like that. I'm going in with my Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. And I'll have colors and links down below. I need to get better with that. I know that I've been asked to link products and I'm just not the best with that. So please bear with me. I'm still really new to doing these things. And I show you guys so you can go get it because I don't want to seem like I'm just trying to sell you something or I want you to buy specifically from my link. But if you want to, cool. This foundation is so good and it's like my spot on color right now. But I've been in this, I literally was in the sun for like 5 hours Saturday. So I'm like, please. We just got me to my regular skin tone again. I'm about to have another tan and pretty soon I'm gonna have to switch the foundation again. And I'm just using a Morphe E63 brush to blend this in. I need to, like, you guys, from traveling and being busy, I have to wash my makeup brushes. I really do. I'm currently watching a YouTube video right here on my iPad, and it's Breakfast with Biddy. I love her content. I love to see content creators in their 30s. There's some girls I follow that are super young and some that are around my age and then some that are a little older. And I just love it, but I love to see people my age or around my age especially because I'm saying you're kind of going through similar things in life or you have a similar thought process. Not to say you can't have that with people of different age groups, but I really love her channel. She's a mom. I am not. I'm a dog mom, but that's to the extent of that. Our lives are completely different, but I love her content. Love it. Now I'm going to go in with two of the Sephora Best Skin Ever concealers. One that's closer to my skin tone and one that's a little more brightening. One of the colors, the one that's a little bit closer to my skin tone, is 33.5Y, and this is more yellow. I love this because it complements. I'm very neutral, but sometimes when I put on more neutral products, I look more yellow. And if I put on something more yellow, I look more red or neutral. It's a very tricky skin tone to have. And then the deeper my skin gets, the more redder it gets. The next color I'm going in with 34.5N. This one's more neutral. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of my Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer. And this one is in the shade 140. This is super bright. So I like to go in right here and then right here. And then that's it. I really need to wash all my beauty sponges, you guys. I need to wash everything. So I'm going to go in with my makeup brush again and blend out the concealer I put down here. So I've already set my face and I just used my one size translucent powder. Now I'm going to go in and contour my nose and add a little bit of dimension back to my face using my Juvia's Place bronzed duo in tan. This is what it looks like. It looks so washed out. There we go. And I like to mix both colors and contour my nose. And I'm just using this Real Techniques brush. It's just like a really tiny brush. And I just literally run that back and forth, up and down the sides of my nose. Just like this. Just like that. Yep, that's it. That's good enough for the nose contour. And then I'm going to go in with my Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess. And this is in 04 Deep. I'm going to use the little brush that comes inside of the component and lightly contour. This is one of the best bronzer that I have used, honestly. Outside of Fenty and Juvia's Place, bomb. Look at the color. This is Estee Lauder. Don't sleep on it. So there's that. Now I'm just going to take a little brush, and I don't know what I want to do with my eyes right now. I feel like I want to do something where the lid is a little brighter. So I'm going to take the Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette, and I'm probably going to do all this with one brush. I'm just going to use this little blending brush from BK Beauty. It's the 2 brush, and I'm actually going to go in with the lightest shade. This is in Zaz. It's like white. It's a bone color. I'm just going to pat that on my eyelid like that. Just like this, just patting that all over the lid. You can also use a flat eyeshadow brush, but I want to keep it really simple. Now I'm going to go in with the, I think it's a Yoded brown here. And we're just going to work that back and forth in the crease. Bring in some dimension in. Quick and easy. Same thing on this side. Just like that, you guys see? Really nice and soft. Now I'm going to go in with this deeper brown and work that in the outer part. The outer half of the eye, just back and forth. Blending that up into the first brown. Just to give us some outer definition. Just like this. It gives you that Marilyn-esque look. And I'm happy with that. That's good enough. So just those 3 colors, right? And then we are going to go ahead, do our brows off camera, and come back. Now that all of the eyeshadows on and my brows are done, I just used a brow pencil from Shop Miss A, and I believe this is in Ebony or Soft Black, I don't know, the darkest that they have. And I'm just using this brown Essence eyeliner, and I'm just going to lightly trace a line right here. Just a small little flick. And then I'm going to use this little smudging brush and blend that in and drag it out a little bit like that. So I get a little bit of a faux liner. What is that? Looks like something splotchy on my makeup, but it gives me a little bit of a faux liner. I think that's good. I like it. Put a little bit of powder on. I'm using my MAC Studio Fix powder. This is the old school formula. I don't know if I'm ready to use the new one, honestly. And I'm just setting my face around where I didn't contour or apply bronzer, right in here, and a little bit on the forehead, trying to avoid where we highlighted. And this is an NC45. Now, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of my Sephora Micro Smooth as well. And this is in Toffee. Looks like this. And it just adds a little bit more of a bronzy glow to the skin. Excuse me. I'm using this on the outer perimeter of the face as well. So like that. A little bit of the Sephora Micro Smooth, and this is in bronze, and this is a very much more fair color. This is a pretty fair color. And I like to use this to brighten right under my eye. Right there like that. And that's how I like it. Now I'm going to go in with a blush. I think I want a baby doll pink blush today. I normally go for my Juvia's Place Volume 5. And I love how more of a flamingo-y pink it is, more tropical looking, warmer. But I think I want to go in with a very baby doll pink today. And this is the Juvia's Place Volume 4 Blush Duo. And I mix the 2 colors together. All right, so everything's looking good. I am going to apply some highlight. This is the Laura Geller Gilded Honey, and I'm just using this little brush here. It's a little bigger than a pencil brush. And then I'm popping that in the inner corner of the color. All right, and now I'm going to brush away any powder that I have sitting under my eyes. That's the only spot that I still have. That's the only spot that I still had powder sitting, so I like to go ahead and brush that away. And then I'm going to spray my face down before I apply mascara. I'm just going to use my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray, and just a little bit like this. All right, and now I'm gonna go in with my MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash Mascara. And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a coat of this to the lashes. The fact that I'm applying mascara, and I know I'm gonna wash my face once I'm done filming. So this is really cute right now. I'm rocking with it. It's a cute makeup look. I'm feeling it. What do you guys think? It's very simple, very classic, very classy. I'm trying to think of what I want to do to my lips. I just have on lip oil right now. So let's see. I'm going to apply my chai latte from LA Girl. Let me wipe off this, but my lips are moisturized. So chai latte lip pencil. That look good. Put a little bit of Half Red by MAC on, which is closer to the pink color on my lips. Let's put on the Summer Fridays lip oil. This is in the color, what is this? Y'all, that name is so tiny, I ain't got it. And I'm just putting this on. And then I'm gonna go in with Nymphet by MAC. It looks so dark, right? I might have to change it. I'm gonna have to change the lip. I don't know, maybe it was too much lip liner. I went ahead and blotted my lips. I think it was just, let's put on a different lip combo. So now I'm gonna go in with this Nika K lip pencil. This is also a dark brown, just a little bit. That's better, it's not as dark. And then I'm gonna use this Fenty Gloss Bomb. It's a cream one, it's a pink one. I don't know why I can't, this is in Cupcake. Oh, so much better. And then I'm gonna go in with this Seichu Lip Elixir. And this is super glittery, which I love. It adds a lot of shimmer to the lip. I'm loving it. I am going to take down my hair and then I'm gonna come back. You guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and let me know down below what you guys want to see next in my up and coming videos. I have goals for this channel and I want to be able to post quality content that you guys actually enjoy and love. So please be sure to comment down below what you want to see from me. I will, if I don't put links on here, remind me please. And please don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it, comment what you want to see next, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Ciao.